Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Snapchat Spotlight. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app. The play icon is Snapchat Spotlight. So, to join or create a spotlight, go to the camera. Similar to your usual snaps, record a video and add filters. You can add music, stickers, texts, and much more as well. When done, tap Send To. And at the top, tap Spotlight. Now tap hashtag add topic to add hashtags. You can add as many as you want. Now you can post your spotlight by tapping the send button at the bottom right. And that's how you create or join Snapchat Spotlight. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.